Hi, one of the questions I routinely get asked is how do you fill the grease guns with grease? I've got a selection of grease guns here. I've got the J2365, the J2310, which are these two grease guns here, and over here, just as a comparison, I've got our mini grease gun kit. And here you can see in this tube here it's a bit like a sausage skin full of grease, and you buy these as replacement packs. You unscrew the glue gun and slot that in, and it's quite a lot cleaner to do, but it's more expensive in the long run. With these two types of glue gun, I'll show you how to use them, but basically you buy yourself a tub of grease. Any auto accessory shop will sell this in whatever grade you need. So you can get, this is a high melting point, suitable for wheel bearings. You might want to buy a lithium grease, whatever your motor manufacturer recommends. So it could be, greasing something on the van, on the JCB, if you're using it for work, or on a digger. So yeah, this will show you actually how you fill both these guns with grease. I'll take the smaller one first of all. They're both pump action, as you can see. At the end of them, they have a loop. Okay, that's the plunger, the spring-loaded plunger, which operates and will pressurize the grease. So you pull the plunger out, turn it through 90 degrees so it locks at this point. You've now compressed the spring and pulled the plunger back. You now undo the body from the head, from the grease gun head, and you can see now you've got a deep tube in there, and all you do is unscrew the grease, and on top of the can of grease is a plastic disc with a hole in, and all you do is push in, and I won't fill it too much, but you can see I've put grease in there. You now screw that back on to the canister, and now you've got the grease in, but when you start to use it and pump it, the grease isn't pressurized. So you now release the plunger, and it won't go fully back in because that's the amount of grease you got in. You can now start pumping and the pressurized grease will come out. So that's on that style. This is the much bigger one we sell. Okay, same operation. You've got a little lever on this one. You pull the arm out fully like that, so you can see there was a bit of resistance whilst the spring compressed. You unscrew the barrel from the head, as you can see there. Same thing, slightly larger area. Press down on your can of grease. You can see there, I'm not putting too much in, but you can see the principle. Screw it back on tightly, like that. Now on this one there's a little lever that you release the spring with, so if I just push that, there we are, that's gone in now. There we are, still got that amount of grease, which is that amount there, and now all you do is pump a few times to remove the air, and your grease guns are fully operational with grease in. So I hope that helps. It'll work with any type of pump action grease gun like this. If you have any other questions, please go to amtechdiy.com and we'll look forward to answering them. Thank you.